Hello, everyone. We are Group 50 from the MIS department, and we are hired by Highland RS to analyze the situation that is going on with the company. From our group, we have assessed the solutions, figured out the issues, and we are going to implement and propose solutions going forward for the company in order to assess these problems.
I am D, and I was in charge of assessing the business problems of the company. And the first and most important problem of the business was that the information systems are far too outdated and are not adequate for modern day use. Keeping these information systems running is far too costly for the features that they lack. We are lacking a company website with the features that are offered by many big companies. Our company website is lacking in modern day features that are expected to come with any and all companies. We also have a missed marketing opportunity by having no social media presence of any kind. And our sales have dropped from 5 billion annually to just 900 million.
Hi, I'm C. I was in charge to summarize the recommendation for our issues we found. So for the first one, we have to make a ER diagram as a picture to show the Highlander asked this company how to run it in the future. So for the second one, we should make a database and different type of information system for each area for our company. So for the third one, we also create a new website. The old website is already from it has already from last century, so we have to give it up. For the fourth one, we have to make some social media to introduce ourselves to get some follower to improve our customer relationship. So for the third one, we have to focus on human resource. That should be reduce the reduce our operation cost in our company. So for the last one, we have to find out what's the perfect software help us to run this company. I also in charge of our website. For our new website, we have to make it as simple as possible, but it have to contain some basic function. So look at this homepage. We use the modern design to make it clear and simple, and also we have to make it easy to promote our production and promote our new events. Okay, here's three pages of the new website. For this one, you can see we are going to focus on the show to introduce our product on the first pages. Also, for this picture, you can see we focus on introduce our company. Also, we make a picture to provide our contact information, and also we want the customer to leave their contact, to leave their feedback on this page.
Hello, I am letter B, and I was in charge of social media. In an era where social media has taken over, it's crucial that the brand sets up multiple accounts across all boards ranging from Twitter to Instagram, like our case here, in order to build and sustain customer equity, branding, and promotion. While Twitter can provide numerous tweets in order to build relationships with the audience from around the world, while continuously promoting the products, an Instagram handle can enable the business to sell something more than just the products, and that is word of mouth. By posting pictures regularly, we can make relations with a target audience, such as parents and children in our case, friendlier. Partaking in social media platform is a must these days for building a business back up. It's a way for potential customers to express interest in your product as our generation has become more tech savvy and involved in our smartphones.
Hi, I'm B, and right now I'm going to introduce the employee in our company right now. And as you can see, employees are very important for lots of company, and we think the employee is our property. And just like the CEO of the company said, to win in the marketplace, you must first win the workplace. It means that employees is very important for lots of people, and we take care of them very much. And we really like to provide the best environment, best resource to take care of our employees, because we think that the better environment could make them to work more efficiently and better on their job. Take Google as example. In this picture, you can see that Google provides the kind of place for their employees to take a rest, have a meeting, and also Google provide kind of the best restaurant for them to take a rest, and it means that they take care of their employees, and it can make them to feel like they're working at home, and they don't have to worry about lots of things.
Hi, I'm Letter F. So I'm going to introduce our company workplace. Our goal is to creating a relaxed work environment, and we're gonna promote the strength of the group overall system and to ensure employees' health and safety. So as Yi said, so as Yi said, we have a relaxing working environment so we can continue to focus on our jobs. And second, we can adopt a proper management system to prevent workplace injuries in, in the situations. So we can make an example in event of accident. We will quickly understand the situation and analyze the cause and to formulate the measures to prevent the accidents for next time. So the employee is gonna have like a nice and viable work environments to continue their jobs, or instead of stopping for a period of times, and so they can have more patience and passions for working in our companies.
Hello, I am letter A, and I was in charge of the proposed solutions to handle the issues within the company. There was three things that we had to assess for the company, and the very first thing is that we had outdated softwares with Oracle, when it comes to accounting softwares. One of the solutions that we're gonna solve and fix is that we're gonna implement SQL. Our group has found out that SQL was more cost efficient, and also it was more compatible with the company's finances. Our second issue that we're gonna fix is we have issues with employee within the company. We're gonna implement new management techniques within the company, by establishing weekly meetings to assess these issues. We're gonna figure out a new result, and we can incentivize rewards to help better promote satisfaction within the job. The third issue that our group has found is that we lack social media presence within the company. To fix this issue, our group is going to create a new Twitter website for the company, and from that, we want to assess customers' issues within our products, and from their feedback, we're going to fix these issues by further research. And then we're also going to use our social media webpage to establish better marketing techniques for the company going further. To implement all this, there were three things that we had to address to enhance these solutions. The first thing is that we have to be goal set with our issues, and to do this, our group has prioritized that the company needs to establish weekly meetings, and from the meetings we have to discuss the issues that is going on currently within the groups, and then we're going to assess the issues within the group, and going into further, we're going to fix them. We need inspiring leadership for this in order to enforce these criteria. We're going to express the objectives of the company. We're going to inspire employees through motivation and growth. And then we're going to be corporate responsible within our environment and community by giving back after every year to promote our image of the company. And our final thing is regarding communication with the company. How we can implement this is we're gonna be following up with every project that we'll be assessing. We're gonna be constantly keep in touch with our group leaders and different groups. We're gonna promote better schedules within the companies to better fit each individual employee. And then later, we're gonna improve the satisfaction of each individual employee by setting up a better working environment. Thank you all for listening. Thank you, the board. I would like to thank the board of directors and valued guests for listening to our presentation. And this will be all.